Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code CS3452, Theory of Computation, Unit 1, Topic Introduction to Formal Proof and Additional Forms of Proof. Objectives to understand the concepts of formal proof to apply additional proof methods in problem solving. Introduction to formal proof, additional forms of proof. There are two types of proof, inductive proof and deductive proof. First, we are going to see the definition for inductive proof. It is a recursive kind of proof. It consists of sequence of parameterized statements that use the statement itself with lower values of its parameter. Then next we are going to see the deductive proof. It consists of sequence of statements given with logical reasoning in order to prove the first statement is called hypothesis. Next we are going to see the various forms of proof. Proof about sets, proof by contradiction, proof by counterexample. First we are going to see proof about sets. That means it is a collection of elements or items. By giving proof about the set, we try to prove certain properties of the set. For example, just consider two expression A and B. Here we have to prove that both expression A and B are equivalent. For that you are going to consider P union Q equal to Q union P. Here P union Q is considered as A, Q union P is considered as B. Here we have to prove A equal to B. So first we are going to see the left hand side. First we are going to prove left hand side, after that you are going to prove right hand side. That means an element X is in A if and only if it is in B. Proving left hand side. X is in P union Q, X is in P or X is in Q. X is in Q or X is in P. X is in Q union P. Likewise we have to prove the right hand side. X is in Q or X is in P, X is in Q union P or X is in P union Q. Likewise, if we have to prove both the side, left hand side and right hand side is true as element X is in B if and only if X is in A. Next, we are going to see proof by contradiction. In this type of proof, for the statement of the forms A and B, we start with statement A is not true, and by assuming false, we try to get the conclusion of statement B. Here also we have impossible to reach statement B. We contradict ourselves and accept that A is true. Here also we are going to see one example, P union Q equal to Q union P. Proof. If we have to assume that P union Q equal to Q union P is not true. So we are going to consider that X is in Q or X is in P union K. It also implies that X is in Q union P according to the definition of union. Hence the assumption which are made initially is false. Hence it is proved. Next we are going to see proof by counter example. In order to prove certain statements, we need to see all possible conditions in which that statement remains true. For example, A mod B equal to B mod A. Proof, consider A value as 2 and B value is 3. Likewise, we have to prove 2 mod 3 is not equal to 3 mod 2. Thank you.